You have heard of food, but have you ever heard of food wrapped in a banana leaf and steamed until it's literally falling apart with flavor? This isn't just lunch, it is a ceremony. We are on Entebbe Road at the legendary Shakazulu, and we are about to unlock the secret of Luwombo. The question is, are you brave enough to try it?
Welcome back to our channel. Jackie is my name and it's food time. I love food. We are at Shakazulu Restaurant and we ain't leaving this place until we get the leaves open. Let's get in to find the master of the pots. Hi Babirye.
Hi Madam Jackie.
It's good to catch up with you again.
Yeah, nice.
So I'm sitting with Babirye Norah. She is the manager of Shakazulu Restaurant, and she's going to be telling us what Luwombo is. For somebody out there who doesn't know about this magic, you're going to hear it from the manager. And to further go on and tell us the process of making this delicious traditional dish. So welcome, Babirye.
Thank you so much, Madam Jackie. Here at Shakazulu, we do different Luwombos. We do Chicken Luwombo, we do Fish Indigenous Luwombo, we do Beef Indigenous Luwombo, we do Beef Luwombo, we do Mushroom Indigenous Luwombo. Yeah, they are very interesting dishes that always bring clients here to our restaurant. Yeah.
Can you go ahead and tell us the process? I really want to hear about that process because I know it's just not ordinary food.
Yeah, definitely.
That is just put in a pot. I need to hear that process, and maybe somebody out there who really wants to hear about this process.
So Luwombo, obviously, the moment we hear about Luwombo, first of all, we are talking about the steamed banana leaves that we use to prepare our food, that we use to prepare our Luwombos or the sauces. Here we get the banana leaves that are very well steamed. Not any type of banana leaves, but steamed banana leaves.
What particular leaf is that?
I don't know how to say this, but there's it's always the soft kind of banana leaf when it's still
young.
Yeah. So they cut them off, prepare them, we steam them. It's a process. They steam them, prepare them, and then they reach a stage where they are ready to do what we want to bring out our Luwombo in the best way.
Yeah.
So for the Luwombo, it's basically that banana leaves that we work with.
Yeah.
We put our sauces, either Chicken Luwombo, either the genets and the fish, either the beef and genets and all that. So it's basically us putting this sauce, not ready yet. We put it in the banana leaves and it gets ready in there. We steam it from the banana leaves.
You kind of wrap it?
Yeah. We use
what do you use to wrap?
We use a banana fiber.
Yes. A banana fiber.
Yeah. So
for our viewers, what is used to wrap?
I would say like 5 hours before they're
5 hours.
Because it has to be tender. Whatever we are serving, it has to be tender. So by 5 hours, it's very ready to be served to any client that comes to our restaurant to enjoy the Luwombos.
So that means it takes a bit of patience.
Yeah.
It's not a rushed kind of a meal to prepare.
It's not a rushed meal.
So it's steaming and patience.
Yes, please.
And around what time? So by 1 or 12, your meals the Luwombos are ready.
Yeah. By 12:30, by 12:30 to 1, our Luwombos are ready to be served.
Good.
Yeah.
Now my very last one to you is I'm thinking of, I'm coming here for the very first time, and maybe also just a tourist coming into Uganda for the very first time, and they want to taste Luwombo, or they want to taste Uganda on a plate. What's that Luwombo you would recommend?
Here the first Luwombo I would recommend, or the two Luwombos I would recommend, not saying the other than not nice, but our top selling.
Yeah.
It's Chicken Luwombo. Chicken Luwombo is so good. We never go wrong with that. And then we have fish and genets. It's very tasty. It's very nice. So I would recommend that.
Wow.
And then we don't just give you this luwombo, we give it you with all variety of foods that you
So what foods do you serve with it?
We give you matoke, we give you rice, we give you pumpkin, we give you sweet potatoes, we give you...
It's a whole package.
Yeah, it's a whole package.
It's
and
a whole experience for someone.
Yeah, I'd forgotten to tell you that the moment you order food here at Shakazulu Food Restaurant, you are guaranteed a jug of juice.
Oh.
Yeah.
So it comes with...
Yeah. So you eat, you get the value for your money. Now you tell me how the juice tastes.
Tastes good.
Yeah, definitely.
After a hot day, I've been out in the sun.
Yeah. So that's how we serve our clients. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
And right now, I am waiting for my recommendation.
Sure.
Chicken. I'm going to test the chicken luwombo and the fish indigenous luwombo, and I'll be telling our viewers out there what it tastes like. So my recommendations from the manager are right in front of me. I have the chicken luwombo. It all looks delicious, and a fish indigenous luwombo. So I'll start with the chicken luwombo. I'm going to test for you, my viewers. Karibuni.
Wow. Okay, that smoke from the leaf, it actually gets into the meat. It is tender and rich. It's like a hug from the inside. Honestly, it tastes like tradition. But don't just take my word for it. I want you to test this for yourself. So here's the real challenge. What would you wrap in a banana leaf? Drop your weirdest ingredient combo in the comments below. If I see a pizza luwombo, I am holding you personally responsible. Now smash that like button and subscribe for more flavor adventures. See you at the next bite.